let's revitalize this 3/8 composite ratchet from Harbor Freight. These things run under $10, but if you've seen any of my videos, you know I love this thing. So I'm going to show you how to do it today. One tool, you'll need a T8 socket. And I'm just going to use a socket driver here. You can use a wrench. Let's do it. So there's 3 screws. One here that holds on the lever, and then 2 back here that hold on the faceplate. I'll start with the lever. Yes, here's a before. So here it is. As you can see here, it tells you 72, and then the direction, I guess, off and on, however that's keyed. And then when you move the lever, that takes off one end of the teeth so that you can ratchet it one way, and then when you move the lever the other way, that moves the other way. Wedge my hands in there just to pull the teeth apart. You can see here, looks completely fine. No broken or chipped teeth. I'm just gonna give this a good wipe down. There's practically no rust or anything on there, so I'm just gonna get it clean so we can put on the new grease. As you can see here, there's a spring on each end between the lever mechanism. So I'm just gonna leave those as is. If they fall out, you can just put them back in place. I'm gonna put some grease in there. And just to make it easier with my fat fingers, I'm gonna use a pick. I'm gonna wedge those 2 parts out just so I can put the gear in. Like that. Guess you need 2 tools to do this. And then you just want to make sure that the spring is underneath here. Good. And good. I'm just gonna pack that grease down. Now I'm gonna put the cover plate on. And hold it as I flip it over and put the lever in. Now I'll secure the lever in. Not too tight, because if you tighten it too tight, it'll actually stop the lever from working. Let's hear how it sounds. A little tight. Just gonna loosen that just a smidge. Work that grease around and that's it. Questions or comments, please leave them below. Hope the video was helpful. All the tools and products I use will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching.